Mindspace 5605 beige. Mindspace 5605 pink. Sister, 5605 pink. Sissy Bells. Mindspace 5605 choco. Sissy Bells, 5605 choco. For the Amy. Then, sister, yung suot natin is Sissy Mindspace 5609. Mindspace 5609 beige. For only, mga sister, 849 pesos. So, cotton pa rin ang fabric niyan, sister. Free size pa rin. Pa-jogger ang pants. Very lightweight po ang fabric nito. Napakaganda ng fabric nito, sister. Malambot and stretch. And then, yung email natin, sisi, is embroidered. Mindspace 5605 for only 849. Tapos, sisi, yung ating, yung ating Hello Kitty, sister. Ito siya. Okay, yung Hello Kitty natin, sisi, 2 colors available. Meron tayong light denim. Yung kanyang itsura, sister, is ayan. With pocket both side also. Snap button po yung kanyang buttons. All buttons working. Ayan, sisi, yung ating Hello Kitty is very nice po yung ating embroidered. Okay, talagang si Hello Kitty yan. Yung shorts natin, pwedeng high waist, pwedeng mid waist. 26 to 36 inches waistline with pocket both side. Very lightweight lang din yung Hello Kitty sa Bells. Yung kanyang fabric. Premium pa rin, sister. For only 849. Meron tayong light. Ito yung light, sister. And then, meron tayong dark. Ayan, sa Bells. Meron tayong dark denim. Sisi, 849 na pesos. Ito naman yung dark. Okay, ang code naman for this one, for Hello Kitty, Sissy Bells, ang Hello Kitty natin, Sissy, ang code is 5732. So, kapag bet mo Mindspace